Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of manually resetting a Blink camera to fix common issues. Whether you're facing connectivity problems, camera errors, or other issues, a manual reset can often resolve these issues quickly. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you need. Your Blink camera, a small pin or paperclip for the reset button. Access to the Blink Sync module if applicable. Step 2. Locate the reset button. To reset your Blink camera, you'll need to locate the reset button. It's usually found on the back or bottom of the camera. Take your pin or paperclip and get ready to press the reset button. Step 3. Perform the reset. Here comes the crucial part. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You might see the camera's light blink rapidly during this process. This indicates that the reset is in progress. Step 4. Wait for the reset. After holding the reset button for the specified time, release it and wait for the Blink camera to reboot. This might take a few moments as the camera resets to its factory settings. Step 5. Reconnect your camera. Once the camera has finished rebooting, you'll need to reconnect it to your Blink system. Follow the setup instructions provided by Blink to reconnect the camera to your Wi-Fi network and the Blink Sync module if you have one. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can manually reset your Blink camera to fix common issues like connectivity problems or camera errors. Remember, if you continue to experience issues after resetting, don't hesitate to reach out to Blink's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.